Hey, this is Mr. H, and I am going to do question number 23 from the January 2023 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Then I'm going to post it to my YouTube channel. Um, these questions, I rarely cover these, and I should because these are not very difficult if you understand the process elimination for multiplication and fractions. All right, so I'm going to read the question, and then I'm going to show you basically the idea that you need to understand in order to do these types of questions. It says Morgan read that a snail moves 72 feet per day. He performs the following calculation: 72 feet divided by 1 day times 1 day divided by 24 hours times 1 hour divided by 60 minutes times 12 inches divided by 1 foot to convert this rate to different units, right? And the question is asking, what are the units for the converted rate? Now, before I do this one, I wanted to show you something. If I multiply 3/4 times 4/8, we can easily calculate this. This is 3/8 because we have a 4 on the top and the 4 on the, or a 4 on the top and the 4 on the bottom. And so they're going to cancel out. So instead of going 12/48 and then reducing it to 3/8, we can just go, hey, there's a 4 on the top and there's a 4 on the bottom. And since we're doing multiplication, these are going to cancel out. So we're left with 3/8. Now, let me kind of do another one because I want to make sure that this concept is clear before I answer this question. So the same thing. So if I have, and it doesn't matter how many fractions. So I can do 3/4 times 4/6 times 6/9 times 9/20 times 20/100, right? Now that looks intimidating, but this is really simple. So we have a 4 on the top and a 4 on the bottom, so we can cancel. We have a 6 on the top and a 6 on the bottom, so we can cancel. We have a 9 on the top and a 9 on the bottom, so we can cancel. We have a 20 on the top and a 20 on the bottom, so we can cancel. And we're left with a 3 and 100, so this is going to be 3/100. Now, this only works when you're multiplying fractions that have a numerator and a denominator that are exactly the same. That's the key. So we're going to use this idea to figure out this. So I don't care about the numbers, so I'm not going to put the numbers. We're just looking for the units. And the units are basically this stuff: the feet, the day, the hour, the hour. All right, so I'm going to just put this down. So this is going to be feet over days. And then we have days over hours. Actually, I'll make this. It's actually 1 day. So I'll get rid of that. Okay. And then we have hour over minutes. And then we have inches over foot. Now, what can we convert, or what can we cancel out? Well, there's a day on the top and a day on the bottom, so we can cancel those. There's an hour on the top and an hour on the bottom, so we can cancel those. And then what else do we have? Well, we have a foot on the top and a foot on the bottom, so we can cancel those. And what are we left with? Well, we're left with minutes on the bottom, inches on the top. So that's what we're going to have, inches per minute. That's our units. So we just go there, and that would be option 4. That's how you do it. That's a very simple way to do these questions. All right, I'm going to stop this, and I am going to post it to my channel.